How to make your Windows PC run 5 times faster. In step-by-step tutorial part 7. Let's go! Part 7. Adjust visual effects on display. Go to search menu. Type System. Double-click. In the right corner of your monitor, click Advanced System Settings. In the dialog box, click Setting and Performance section. Click to adjust best performance. Click Show Shadows under mouse pointer. Click Apply. The display will be like this. You can choose other adjustments that will suit you best. The purpose of this is to improve Windows performance, but you will sacrificing some Windows display and animations. But don't worry, you can bring back your original settings. All you have to do is to click Let Windows choose what's best to your computer. After that, close the dialog box. For more videos like this, you may visit my YouTube and Facebook channel at JTech, Instagram account at Jazzer Salazar. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment down.